I love this part of the garden. And there used to be nothing here, which is why the soil is so bad. But slowly, as with any garden, it's starting to get its personality. I'm starting to learn what works here, and I've tried a lot of things which haven't worked. We all do that. But I am learning with the sun that just filters through. It could be one of those difficult positions like semi-shade, half sun, but we need to embrace that. And a lot of plants that you buy in your local garden centre that will say shade or semi-shade are the ones that will do in these conditions, especially under this lychee tree. But the clivias are happy, even the nobilis is in flower there, the ruscus doing its job here, and then some ground covers down there. But it is exceptionally dry, obviously because of the roots of this lychee tree. And you must find that at home as well. There's certain areas where the soil just dries out completely. And that certainly we need to treat. And what better way than with your homemade shreddings. This is from everything in the garden. It's put through the shredder, turned into this beautiful mulch, which we then pop around the plants because it helps to keep the moisture in, just improve the whole environment, and most importantly, improve the soil.